morning! It's day 2 here in El Nido. So, nagpe-prepare na ako ang mga kailangan kong dalhin. Siyempre, number 1 is your bottled water and extra cash kasi meron tayong babayaran dun na environmental fee na worth 200 and Lagoon fee, 200 also. Before kayo pumunta dito, and may snorkeling kasi dun. So, if I were you, mag-order na kayo sa Shopee para makatipid kayo. And aqua shoes also, mas mura sa Shopee, so order na rin kayo. And ito, dry bag, extra shirts, and towels. So yeah, yun lang. Susunduin ako dito ng Travel Connect ng 8:30 AM. So time check, it's 6:30 AM in the morning. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So, nakapag-change outfit na ako and kakain lang ako dyan sa Hama Coffee across the street and let's go.
So let's have breakfast here at Hama Coffee and look at the view, it's so beautiful. Have here a pancake and latte breakfast with the view and dalawang kuya. Look at that, so beautiful.
I don't know, we're close. So, I met Sir Christian from TravelCon and today na yung tour A namin. And siya po ang aking tour guide and they offer drone shot. We're now here in the waiting area. Good morning.
So once again, good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, so by the way, welcome to our company, the Yumi Traveling Tours. Umi is a Japanese word, means sea, ocean or dagat. Okay? Your travel partner to the wonder of natures. Alright, so by the way, my name is Marvin. What is my name?
Marvin.
Marvin, 29 years old, single. 15 meters away from my wife, okay? So, I'm gonna be your tour guide for today, okay? Alright, so our itinerary for today, we will go parts of Tour A, okay? So, Tour A will composed of 5 destinations. So, we are going to take first, the Big Lagoon. Second one, Secret Lagoon. Third, Shimizu Island, that is our lounge area. And one spot for snorkeling. The last will be Commando Beach. Okay? So every destination, I will give you 30 to 45 minutes except our lunch area. Okay?
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night, I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to save us. Sadie,
Hi everyone, I'm back to Pensioni and day 2 was so crazy and exhausting. Kita nyo naman sa balat ko. Umitim ako ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi to malab yung binili kong sunblock. Well, anyway, rate natin yung Tour A. It's, well, hindi ko pa naman nakikita yung iba. So, it's 10 over 10 for me. So, and Travel Connect. Thumbs up to Sir Christian, our photographer and videographer. We're 2 teams. I met 2 people from Nepal. It's Sam and Sudan. I can't pronounce his name, but yeah, they're a couple from Nepal. So, ang ganda nung boat. Hindi ko na-expect na merong toilet yon. So, pwede kang mag-change outfit. So, yeah, it's comfortable. Also, malaki yung boat, hindi kami siksikan, and dami kong nakilala doon, and dami kong na-meet doon. Galing sila sa iba't ibang bansa. Meron from Korea, Germany, Spain, France, Canada, California. So, around the world talaga yung tour na yun kanina. We went to the Big Lagoon, and Big Lagoon, grabe. Rate natin siya from 1 to 10, it's 10 over 10. Grabe yan. Sobrang ganda dun, guys. Hindi ko nadala tong phone ko dun because tatakot ako baka mahulog ko siya. Pero, kasi yung parking area nung boat namin, medyo malakas yung current. So, takot ako dalhin yung phone ko. Nagkayak pala kami dun, guys. And kinaya ko mag-isa. I'm so proud of myself. Kinaya ko mag-isang magkayak doon sa loob ng Big Lagoon. And guys, sabi nga ni Kuya, ang bilis ko daw matuto mag-paddle ng kayak. So, yeah, 10 over 10 talaga siya. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang linaw ng water. And meron doon, umikot kami sa cave. So, yeah, naganda experience doon. Pagod ako. Tomorrow, I plan to stay in Angkla Nacpan. And it's 1 hour away dito sa town proper. So, let's see what Nacpan has to offer. I'm excited to see Nacpan. So, see you guys tomorrow.
Hi everyone, it's day 3 here in El Nido and mag-breakfast ako ulit dun sa Hama Coffee. Then after that, punta na tayo sa Angkla sa Nacpan. Mag-land tour tayo dun. So, excited to see the beach. Let's go!
Here in Nacpan. So, nag-rent ako ng tricycle worth 1,200. It's supposed to be 1,500 but I got a discount since kamag-anak siya ng aking host sa Airbnb and I got it for 1,200 only. I'm on my way to Angkla. Doon tayo mag-stay until 3 p.m. and mag-watch tayo ng sunset later sa Leo Beach. And as of the moment, sobrang ganda ng view. Look at that. Yeah, so stay muna tayo dito and mag-picture-picture tayo later. here in El Nido and parang dito na lang ako nakapag-vlog sa loob ng room. Kasi guys, pag nandun na ako, nakakalimutan ko nang mag-video sa sobrang ganda ng view. Hindi ko na tuloy na videohan yung kahapon na nagpunta ko sa Angkla. Nagbayad lang ako doon ng 1,000 pesos and it's consumable na. Usapan nga namin ng tricycle driver is 3 p.m. Pupunta na kami ng Leo para mag-sunset. So, yeah, nasunod naman yun. Lumipat na kami ng Leo and grabe. Grabe yung view. Alam niyo yung pinaka... hindi ko ma-explain pero yun ang na-videohan ko guys sa Leo. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga doon. So, natsyempohan ko pa nga yung picture is merong nag-depart na airplane. So, may picture ko. Ang gaganda ng shots ko doon, lalo doon sa may bridge. Grabe, lahat ng Shein na damit na outfit ko. Nabigyan ko ng hustisya. Supposed to be magtutursi ako pero I don't know, I don't like anymore kasi pagod na rin yung katawan ko and yeah, gusto ko na may kasama pag magtutur. Babalik pa naman ako dito, 100% sure. So yeah, balik na lang ako dun sa Manila Beach and mag-swim na lang ako maghapon. Yeah, and bibili na rin ako ng mga pasalubong. Let's check the public market. And yeah, samahan niyo ako sa ating journey for the 4th day. So, I'll see you guys later. We're here in Maremegmeg Beach Club Resort. The weather's so nice. So guys, I went here in El Nido Public Market to buy something. Bibili tayo ng danggit. Pasalubong. Hi, it's my last night here in El Nido and dala ko na itong bottled water ko. So, lalabas na tayo kasi fiesta doon. So, maghanap tayo ng dinner natin and nag-crave ako sa ihaw-ihaw. So, tara, samahan niyo ako.
And this is how it looks. Punta pa tayo dun. It's a feria, guys. Oh, this one's bigger fun. And the highlights of the night. Andun yung ihaw-ihaw. Labas ng arko. And I choose here kay Sisi. Ha, biglang nag-brown out. Nawala ng ilaw. I
guys! Good morning, my sunshine. It's my day 5 here in El Nido and last day ko na din. Before 9, by time check it's 7:20. Yeah, so before 9, naalis na tayo dito and babalik na tayo sa Puerto Princesa. Back to reality. But before that, samahan niyo muna akong kumain ulit sa go-to cafe ko kasi masarap talaga doon. So, hindi na ako lumipat. Doon ako nag-breakfast every day. So, yeah, let's go.
Hindi nakalimutan ko na ng video.
Back to Hidden Garden Pensione. And this is Miss Catherine. Say hi, Miss Catherine! So, if you're looking for a private room that's perfect for a solo traveler, I suggest Hidden Garden Pensione. I booked that one. And my rate is 5/5. It's right in the middle of everything, near restaurants, public transport, and kung nag-book ka ng tours, it's just 2 to 3 minutes away, walking distance sa port. Very comfortable and relaxing, and malayo sa bars, hindi siya maingay sa gabi, and yeah. Miss Catherine is very kind and accommodating. If you want to replace your towels, request ka lang and then papalitan nila. And yeah, I had a great stay here in Hidden Garden Pensione. It's a thumbs up for me.
Guess you were not the one for me, but how this surely just cannot be. And I know you're thinking of me, and how I treated you just the way you should, and how I could not believe now that you are the one that I'll miss. And you are the one I'll reminisce. And I'm looking back to when I first met you, and all I'm thinking is you are the one that I'll miss.